If you've ever felt stuck about how much to charge for your digital products and you don't know how to go about it, right, stay tuned, because I'm going to give you easy to follow steps to set prices that make sense for you and of course your audience. And if you are new in digital products, you're looking for products, the best ones for you to start selling, I have this free tool that I'm going to be giving you out if I see your comment in the comment section of 5 steps. Just write up that 5 steps and I'm going to send you the link to this particular product you are going to try out this 2024 stroke, of course 2025. Hi, I'm Goodness Akachi and welcome back to Digital Lab, where we make online business easy for beginners. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so that when I drop videos like this, YouTube will definitely notify you. So let's dive in. So I'm going to be talking about 5 steps in this video. If you have your data, you can also jot it down. So the number 1 on my list is why pricing matters. So why do you think it's crucial to get it right? So this is it. Pricing isn't just about making money, okay? It's about positioning your product in the market. Charge too little and of course you might feel undervalued, and you charge too much and you might scare customers away, okay? So it depends on how you are going to charge. So you are going to charge your customers in between these particular crucial things, okay? If you are to charge little, you know it's going to feel undervalued, like what you are doing is like you are not getting anything from it, right? Then you charge them high, you feel like your customers they are going to say, like it's going to scare them away, right? So what you have to do is charge in between them, okay? You charge in between them. So the impact of pricing on your business should affect your pricing, of course, the brand and perception, of course, sales and long-term success. So getting it right is essential. So what I mean is this: your pricing affects your brand perception. So it depends on how you price, that is how you are going to sell your product. So the next on my list is, the second one on my list is factors to consider when pricing. So these are factors you consider when pricing your product. So the number 1 is your cost, okay? Start by calculating any cost associated with creating your digital product. And of course, even if your expenses are minimal, like design software or a website, you need to know your baseline depending on the products you are selling. So you need to know how much you have spent, even if it's your time, how much you have spent on that particular product, then you calculate it, okay? That is your cost, okay? So the number 2 is value to your customers. Think about what value your product provides. Are you solving a specific problem, offering convenience, or the more value you deliver, the higher you can set the price? So the more value your products get, that is the more higher your prices get. So some even we want to pay more to your products because they are getting it high valued, okay? So the second one is competitor pricing. Look at what others in your niche are charging, okay? This will give you a ballpark figure to help you guide your pricing, especially when you are starting. So you have to check what others are doing in order for you to start selling your own digital products. You look at how much people are selling before you start selling, before you start pricing your own digital product. Next one is your target audience. Where are you targeting your audience? If you're targeting beginners or budget conscious customers, you will want to price lower at first to attract them. As you grow, you can rise your price accordingly. So once, if you're targeting your audience, okay, if you're targeting people like beginners or people who are budget conscious, like there are people who are budget conscious, customers that are budget conscious, what you have to do is you want to price lower. Okay, you price lower, and in order for you to get them attracted to what you are selling. Next on my list, that is the third one on my list, is simple pricing strategies for beginners. Okay, for example, we have our flight rate pricing. This is for these products like ebooks or printables. Like flight rate pricing is straightforward, and is going to help you pick a price that covers your costs and gives you a profit, but also feels affordable to your audience. All right, you have to start small, and you can always raise the price later, of course. So the second one we are going to talk about is tiered pricing. So offer different versions of your products at different prices. For example, a basic version. All right, so you have a basic version and you also have a premium version. So you are going to put the both together, more like subscribe or more like use this for free. Okay, so that is that for you. And another one is your introductory pricing. So all you have to do is consider offering a special launch price for your first few customers. So you can say, get this for 50 naira, and you get it before the cost of it rises. Okay, or you can say, get this is little and all that, then before it increases. So that is how you get to plan your pricing. So the fourth section on my list is tools for setting pricing. So these are tools that you need in order for you to start setting your prices. So the number one pricing tool I have is pricing calculators. So you need to get your pricing calculators. Use online tools like the cost plus pricing calculator. This helps you in order for you to calculate your cost and of course your desired profit. So the number two set tools for this particular thing is free resources. So you get your free resources. There are also free templates available that can help you track your costs and of course your profits. So these free resources helps you, they are useful if you are just getting started with limited funds. If you are getting started with limited funds, so these particular templates are going to help you in order for you to track your expenses. Okay, so the next one is simple tools, which if you are selling on platforms like Etsy, they have built-in pricing calculators that help you set up everything, including transaction fees, and so you can price your products accurately. So if you're not selling on Etsy, you are selling on Gumroad and other things, so you will need all these tools in order for you to start marketing your products in the right way. So the fifth one, that is the last but not the least, we have here is testing and adjusting your price. So you have to test and you adjust your price. So for example, you are going to be starting low, so test and learn. So pricing isn't a one and done deal. Just start with a lower price to attract early buyers and of course see how they respond. If they respond good, you are good to go, that you start increasing it. So you listen to your customer feedbacks from your customers about the value of your product. They will always want to respond to you. In that way, customers will want to get in touch with you once you ask them of their feedback. So the recap key points here is, to recap, pricing is about finding that sweet spot where you cover your costs, provide value to customers, okay, and make a profit, all while staying true to your brand. So you have to stay true to your brand. You stay true to your brand and you provide a high value something that once they come to you, they are going to like it, okay, and they keep coming back because they know you provide high value digital products. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you're ready to price your digital products, start with these simple steps. And if you want more tips on growing your online business, make sure to subscribe and also drop a comment below and let me know which digital products you are going to be pricing next. So love you, see you in the next video.